What's up, y'all? Freaking your boy already got up for work. You already know what we finna do. Finna go check out Walmart's Targets. See if we got any sports cards, Pokemon cards. But first of all, I gotta go to the gym first. And after that, we'll see if there is any Pokemon cards or sports cards in the restocks. So, see you in a bit. Your boy finally made it at Walmart. Your boy got at the gym. It's currently 6:10 in the morning. Opened 10 minutes ago. And it's on a Wednesday, so hopefully they're restocked. If not, Thursday for sure. So let's see what they got, man. Finally made it inside. Let's see what they got. God damn it. Like the same thing. Nothing. As you can see, a bunch of magic. That's about it. Let's go check the back. Finally made it at the back of the Walmart. See what they got back here. Hopefully some Pokemon. Let's see. Nothing. I got nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna go check my other Walmart. Let's stay tuned for that. Your boy finally made it to the other Walmart. Let's see what they got. Finally made it to the other Walmart. As you can see, nah, still nothing. I seen back there that still had that Pokemon thing. I'll leave it there until tomorrow. But see, nothing. I'm gonna show you the 10 right quick. Hold on. See, there goes the Pokemon 10 back there. Might get it tomorrow. Made it to the back of Walmart. Let's see if we got any Pokemon back here. This is like the little kid section. I think it's the next section over. Should be. Let's see. Right here. As you can see, still nothing. Nothing. Completely empty. Finna go check 2 more Walmarts and that's it. See what they got. What is this? Not that, man. Alright, let's go check that Walmart. Made it to the other Walmart. Let's see what they got. You can see a bunch of magic. No Pokemon, let's see. Look at these. Dragon shoes. Skylanders. What else? It's Pokemon binder they have. WNBA. Hockey. Baseball. Some more magic. What is this? Some Yu-Gi-Oh! Of course. And they got this box down here. It's a fidget spinner. Some more hockey. Civil War. Bunch of these packs. Some more. About it. Pokemon sleeves. Really nothing. Go check the back and see what they got. Oh shit, what the fuck? Shit scared the fuck out of me. But I think I'm in the Pokemon section. No, this ain't it. What is this? For figures? This ain't it. Nope. Let's see. Right here. Nothing. As you can see. Nada. Damn. They got nothing. Nothing. Well, on to the next one. Your boy finally made it to the other Walmart. Let's see what they got, man. At the Walmart, as you can see, there's nothing. Just a bunch of magic. Some more magic. Some Tops baseball. More magic. Some more magic. Let's check it out. See what they got back there. This one got nothing. Check it back. Still nothing. As you can see, it's still empty. Nothing on top either. That I know of. I got one more Walmart to go to, and then I'm gonna head home. I don't know why this is right here. But yeah, I'm gonna check the Walmart, the last one I'm gonna go to. And call it a day. The boy found a Target on the way over there. Let's see what they got over here instead. They got a lot of celebrations now. Dark Sylveon and then Charizard. But that's what I got. Got me a treasure box. Celebrations Deluxe Pen Collection. Another one of these. It's the last one. Pick this up. They got more trainers up there too. But good thing I stopped here. But I'm gonna check the Walmart too after this. But good little restock. Gonna head out though. Got me some Pokemon from Target, as you can tell. We got the Vivid Voltage treasure chest. We got 2 of them. I never got the chance to get one of these, but I got one of these. Pretty nice. Might get a second one just to keep, but I'm opening this one for sure. And then we got a second one of this one. So I'm gonna open one of those, but I got one back at home, so I'm gonna keep one. I need to get another one sooner or later, because I know these are gonna stock up soon. Well, they're actually everywhere. If you check your Targets, there's a lot of stock of these, so I ain't too worried to get a second one, but sooner or later I'm gonna stock up on the second one just to keep on the shelf. But never got the chance to get one of these, but finally got one. Got 2 of them actually, so they still had a couple left. It's at the Target over here on, I want to say Fairmont. Yeah, it's on Fairmont area, so yeah, go check it out. Pretty nice. But I'm gonna check the last Walmart real quick, see what they got there too. Check out the Walmart, let's see what they got. As you can see, no Pokemon. It's these minions. A little Sonic watch. Okay, I'm gonna check the last Target in my local area. I'm gonna call it a day. Got this little dinosaur thing. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Your avatar. But I'll make it back to the Target and see what they got. Finally made it to Target. Let's see what they got. As you can see, nothing. Completely empty. I should've got some more fries. I had the cop looking ass. I'm gonna check the back, see what they got. Made it to the back, that's all they got. Just Legos, stuff like that. Eevee Legos. But I did see they have this new 25, the 25th. Things like this. So you got Pikachu, Eevee, and of course you got Cubone. Something different, I guess. That's all they have so far. So hopefully they have a big restock tomorrow. Hopefully. But I'm probably gonna check GameStop maybe and Best Buy a little bit. Maybe. But that's all they got. So maybe I'll go to GameStop in a little bit. Let's see though. Your boy got some Chillen Rain Pokemon packs, as you can see right here. I'm probably just gonna open them at home. But I only got 3. That's it. So 3 of these. They had a whole bunch, but I just got 3 instead. So I'm open these and let's see what we get out of these. See if we get that lucky what's in the set? I know Vivid Voltage has the big Pikachu. This one has who's the chase card in this one? I can't remember on top of my head, but let's see if we get one of the big pools out of these. But I'll probably remember when I get to the house. But let's open these at the house. As you can see, made it home. Gonna open these 3 Chillen Rains. Hopefully we can get something good. Let's see. First pack. Hopefully I don't struggle. There we go. Right there. Code card. Flip it over. 4th in the back. Like that. Energy. Avery Trainer. Lydian. Trainer O Symmetry. Slowpoke. Crabrawler. Snorunt. Weedle. Castform. Our hollow is Passamarian. And we got a non-hollow. Zebstrika. Second pack. Second pack. Let's get it. Oh, by the way, I got these from GameStop. Not GameStop, Best Buy. Had a whole bunch. 3, 4 from the back. Leaf Energy. Trainer Trio. Trainer Justified Gloves. Energy Lucky Energy. Snover. Your mask, you know what I'm saying? Coffin. Shuppet. Oh, Portu. Schwabit. Trainer Avery, and then a non-hollow Spirit Bomb. So far, not too good. Put it like that. And like this. Alright, last pack magic. Let's see what we get. Still gotta upload yesterday's video today, and this video will go up tomorrow. My bad, guys. My camera fell. I got too excited to see what it was on the front. I didn't mean to do that. Let's put it like that. 4 cards in the front. Fighting Energy. Impact Energy. Paragon. Twacky. Quailfish. Rots. Heracross. Castform. Spiel. Brawly Trainer. And we got a Scolipede. So there wasn't nothing too major out of that. But I'm finna show y'all what I got for today. Hold up. As you can see, I got a celebrations of Zarshan. Another Pikachu Premium Playmat collection. Another one of those. And I got 2 of these. Another Vivid Voltage treasure chest. So, stock looking good so far. That's all I got in stock right now. Just don't know what to open. But you gotta stay tuned for that tomorrow. I say Friday. I'm gonna go out and look for more cards. So you gotta stay tuned for that.